Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of Legal Talk Tuesday. I'm Crystal I. Myers, Esquire, founder and principal attorney of B Bossy LLC, a boutique law firm that caters to the legal needs of small businesses, small brands, small nonprofits, and the list goes on. Before we get into this week's topic, let me remind you that nothing that I say or do in this video is with the intention of creating an attorney-client relationship with me and any of you. This is solely for educational and informational purposes only. Now, let's get into this week's topic. This week, I'm covering the importance of using a confidentiality agreement in your business. I've touched on the importance of this seemingly simple and standard document in the past, but decided to dive a little deeper this week. My decision came after having numerous conversations over the past few days about the untimely passing of Chadwick Boseman. Of course, we talked about his personal character, his strength, his poise, his accolades as a human being and an actor. But another unanimous theme in the conversations were the awe and respect for his team. More specifically, for them not even coming close to leaking his personal information. We are living in times when people can't wait to leak any little tidbit of information to a friend, a blog, or anyone that is not on a need-to-know basis. Out of respect and honor, his team of trusted few held his secret, his proprietary information. There is a lesson in this that I don't want my entrepreneurs to miss. That is just how much power is in this seemingly simple and standard confidentiality agreement. Now, please understand, I do not know, nor am I claiming to know, if his team signed a confidentiality agreement. They may have been operating purely out of honor and respect for his wishes. But what I do know is this contract is the one contract that virtually every entrepreneur will need at some or at various points throughout the existence of their business. Having a confidentiality agreement, which can cover disclosure of non-public proprietary information and also include a non-compete clause, can and will be enforced by a court of law if it's violated. This means that if someone violates a confidentiality agreement that they have with you and you suffer monetary and non-monetary damages, you can recoup from that person the damages you suffered. All because of a well-written, properly executed confidentiality agreement. Here's some scenarios in which a confidentiality agreement can protect your business. Scenario 1. You have an idea for an app. You are introduced to someone who is allegedly a quote-unquote investor. You meet with the person about funding and share your idea. A week later, you see someone else has stolen your idea and they've started a website, social media pages, and filed for a trademark for your idea. A confidentiality agreement would have prevented the investor from sharing your idea, or it would have also given you standing to sue him if he does share it. Scenario 2. You hire a new employee who seems really eager to learn your way of running your business. Over the course of 6 months, you teach the employee all of your processes and how to seamlessly run your business. Instead of reporting to work as scheduled one day, the employee calls and resigns effective immediately. Some months later, you find that your former employee is now your competitor. A confidentiality agreement would have prevented any former employees from starting a competing business within a specified time frame after they separate from your company. Again, if the former employee violates the agreement, you can go after him or her to recover damages. Scenario 3. As a part of your brand relaunch, you come up with a tagline for your business that you know is super catchy and will draw major attention to your brand. You intend on trademarking the tagline before the relaunch, but you have not yet filed the paperwork. The only people who know about the tagline are your assistant, your business coach, and your graphic and website designer. Your graphic and website designer shares the tagline with another of their clients in showing samples of their recent work, and the other client runs and trademarks the tagline before you can. All because you didn't have the graphic and web designer sign a confidentiality agreement. Doing so would have prevented him or her from sharing the information with any other client before you gave them permission to do so. Of course, this also gives you, or confidentiality would have also given you standing to sue the designer for damages lost by you. I could keep going, but I think these examples give you an idea of why confidentiality agreements are an important part of any business. If you are looking to incorporate a confidentiality agreement into your business, or if you have a confidentiality agreement that you are currently using but it needs a refresh, head over to my website, www.thebossy.approach.com, to learn more about me, the services I offer, and to learn how to book a complimentary discovery call with me so we can chat more about your specific business legal needs. And while you're there, check out our merch in the Bossy shop. You will find all kinds of goodies, including these limited edition enamel pins, which are hitting the shop very soon. That'll do it for this week's episode of Legal Talk Tuesday. Until next Tuesday, be bold, be brave, be bossy. See ya.